Imagine a North Sea bursting with life beneath the surface, where oysters and mussels form reefs that shelter small marine animals, where cod finds food and seabirds dive into the water to feed their young. This is what the North Sea once looked like, but due to human activities, disease and climate change, many of these natural reefs have disappeared from the seabed. As a result, biodiversity is under increasing pressure. Biogenic reefs and other reef structures are important biodiversity hotspots. If we want to strengthen the North Sea ecosystem, this is where it starts, with reefs. With the ReefCreate-XL project, we're taking big steps forward. Together with a group of partners, we explore what is needed to restore reefs on a large scale. For years, many parties have worked on this, and we now bring together all the knowledge and hands-on experience in this major project. We are learning what works and what doesn't when rolling out successful designs at an industrial scale, and how these can be integrated into existing offshore operations. So what does that look like? We're working on the restoration of the horse mussel population on the Dogger Bank and are deploying different reef structures in the Frisian Front Nature Area. These include broodstock structures, 240 tetrapods with 20,000 one-year-old oysters as a starting point for reef growth, spat-on substrate, 8 million juvenile oysters on stones to build a self-sustaining reef over time, shell feeders, biodegradable ropes with mussels providing shell material for oyster larvae to settle on, and tree reefs, discarded fruit trees placed on the seabed quickly attracting marine life and temporarily providing a place for reef-forming species to settle. We first optimize the designs, then deploy them at sea. This is followed by intensive monitoring to understand how the structures develop and what marine life they attract. With this 4-year project, we aim to give reef formation in this area a real kickstart. We will share what we learn with companies, governments, and other stakeholders to help make large-scale and effective reef restoration a reality.